Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Rinse the new or stored cast iron wok with hot water and a soft brush to remove dust and factory oils, and pat it almost dry. Once done, place the wok on medium heat to evaporate any remaining moisture for about 5-7 minutes. You want steam gone so oil bonds cleanly. Make sure to have oven mitts ready and preheat the oven to 400 degrees. That higher heat will open the metal's pores and prepare the surface for seasoning. You'll now build the seasoning. Pour a teaspoon of a high smoke point oil like grapeseed or flaxseed and spread a very thin, even coat with a lint-free cloth. Wipe until the surface appears almost dry. Too much oil causes sticky spots. Once applied, place the wok upside down on the oven rack with foil beneath to catch drips. Bake at 400 degrees for 1 hour. This polymerizes the oil into a hard, non-stick layer. After baking, let it cool to room temperature inside the oven. You finish by testing the wok. Heat it on high, add a tablespoon of oil, then quickly toss aromatics and small vegetables to bond one more layer of seasoning. This initial cook seals texture and flavor. If you notice sticking or uneven patches, reheat the wok, scrub stubborn spots with coarse salt and a paper towel, then apply a thin oil coat and bake one more 1-hour cycle. Make sure to never run it through the dishwasher. Dry thoroughly and lightly oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.